Gen 7 ngayon, guys. Jack T. Ang dumi na ng balat ko. Parang kailangan ko na. Check out yun na kasi yung sabon. 5 piso nga lang nakukuha ko din eh.
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel
Kumaputi, oo.
I can feel the sweat inside my palm. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings.
Sige.
You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna
Hindi ko
set me
alam yung
free. You
nararamdaman
know
ko.
I'm addicted to you. And it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through.
Kanina pa ako nagkape.
Got issues in my head,
Parang
like you in
nagpapalpitate
my
pa rin
bed,
ako.
but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test. I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
Bakit natagdan ka? Tulog ka lang. Ilang sabon. Pero ang yung maambang ka, diba? Bakit? Ano nangyayari sa mundo?
So
Bakit
if
mo
I
din
play
i-activate
dead,
ID
will you
mo? Hindi niya na
regret
mabuksan.
everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing. And my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing. Sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you. It's
Yung ID mo
stupid when I'm
suspended, yung
alone with you I
pasok
never
hindi.
feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless. I feel diluted, my heart's
Kinikilig ka
been
lang.
wounded.
Hindi. Nakita ko nga sa ano sa TokTok eh. Yung mga,
Never really
wag
know
daw
just what you
i-ignore
want.
yung mga,
With you
yung
I
mga
never feel
nararamdaman niya,
calm.
guys.
I can feel the sweat inside my palm. Play with me like cats and a
Yung
string.
tinatamad kang gumalaw, yung wala kang energy. Kulang ako sa iron. Eh, di ba anemic ako? Kaso kasi simula nung nag-iron ako, tumaba ako, kaya tinigil ko. Ano yan? Thank you, ah.